Hello friends, this is Shalini, subject matter expert for BIM Electrical in 9th Sem. Here we are going to discuss about one of the platform of electrical design which is concerned with construction and infrastructure. As long as human race runs, infrastructural requirements are inevitable. Considering today's environmental impact, a smart and sustainable construction is demanded, which of course needs ingenious effort in a country like India, where construction industry employs over 30 million people and contributes more than 5% of the national GDP. It has an alluring as well as gigantic career aspect. Every construction requires designing and planning. Since we are discussing huge infrastructural projects such as township planning, hospitals, airports, office buildings, etc., which need more skeptical inspection of parameters such as resource planning, time and money, and most importantly, environmental sustainability. All these considerations require skills, knowledge, and presence of mind, all of which are acquired by an engineer. A lot of platforms and softwares have been developed for evaluation of parameters and calculations of required figures for designing. BIM, as in Building Information Modeling, is a prerequisite for every construction installation as of today. We can call it a bridge between designing of a project and on-site installation. As a designer, each brain works uniquely to create a perfect design. But a construction cannot run solely with architectural or mechanical or electrical services. A coordinated and executable frame or model is needed, which will accommodate designs of every services finally ready to be constructed, and this is achieved by BIM modelers. Be it a huge shopping complex or a multi-facility healthcare center or a grand hotel or an airport or just a small warehouse or our own living house, BIM is executed to avoid its complexity, makes it budget friendly, elongates its lifeline, and keeps it a cheap maintenance structure throughout. BIM for electrical engineering includes few subtrades such as lighting, power, containment, ICT, fire alarm, security, and riser diagrams. These trades require further studies which can be common to some extent, and sometimes it may vary from project to project. BIM can be executed through various softwares such as Revit, AutoCAD, BIM 360, etc., which are developed by various companies to serve various purposes. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss each of the subtrade in detail. You are requested not to worry about the jargons used in between. Every jargon will be explained at the right time and right place in different videos. Thank you for listening.